Mycelium Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. In this review, we'll dive into the Mycelium Crypto Wallet, covering its key features, who it's designed for, and whether it's the right fit for your needs. I've included links to the products mentioned in the description below, so feel free to check those out after the video. First off, Mycelium is one of the oldest and most established cryptocurrency wallets, having been around since 2008. It's a mobile-only wallet, available for both Android and iOS, designed primarily for users who need secure storage and easy access to their Bitcoin. Mycelium has built a reputation for being extremely reliable, with a strong emphasis on security and user privacy. One of the standout features of Mycelium is its support for hierarchical deterministic (HD) wallets, which means you can generate an unlimited number of new addresses from a single seed. This is great for privacy-conscious users who prefer to use a new address for each transaction. Additionally, Mycelium offers integration with hardware wallets like Trezor, Ledger, and KeepKey, providing an extra layer of security for those storing larger amounts of crypto. Another significant feature is Mycelium's built-in exchange service. It allows you to buy and sell Bitcoin directly within the app, connecting you with local buyers and sellers through a peer-to-peer network. This is particularly useful for those who want to trade Bitcoin without relying on centralized exchanges. However, it's important to note that the exchange rates can vary depending on the local market conditions, so always double-check before making a trade. For advanced users, Mycelium also offers features like single address accounts, cold storage, and support for multiple fiat currencies. The wallet also supports Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, although it's primarily focused on Bitcoin. The interface is straightforward, but it might feel a bit dated compared to newer wallets. However, this simplicity can be an advantage for those who prioritize functionality over aesthetics. Mycelium is ideal for Bitcoin users who value security, privacy, and control over their funds. It's especially suited for those who want to keep their crypto assets safe in a non-custodial wallet while still having the flexibility to trade when needed. However, if you're a beginner or prefer a more modern interface with support for a broader range of cryptocurrencies, you might want to explore other options. In summary, Mycelium is a solid choice for serious Bitcoin users who need a reliable and secure mobile wallet. Its features cater well to privacy enthusiasts and those who integrate hardware wallets into their security setup. If these features align with your needs, Mycelium could be the right wallet for you.